Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will solve the worksheet of additions, statement sums. See, first one, red house made 72 flags to decorate the stands for sports day. Blue house made 23 more flags than that. How many flags did blue house make? Means the red house made the 72 flag and blue house made 23 more than red house. Okay, so first we have to write red house is equals to 72 flags. Okay, 72 flags. And blue house made 23 more flags than blue house, 23. So we have to add both these numbers. So first we have to write the places. Then we have to write the numbers 72 and 23. Then we have to add both these numbers. So what? 2 plus 3 is 5. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer is 95 flags blue house make. Okay? See, you have to write like this, 95 flags blue house make. Okay? Now see the next question. A farm had 25 black cows and 49 white cows and 70 chickens. How many cows are there in the farm? So we have to write that 25 cows and 49 white cows. So we have to add both these cows because we don't want that the number of chickens. Okay, so we have to only add the number of cows are there in the farm. So we have to add black cows and white cows. Okay. See the next one. Azim has a collection of 78 bookmarks. Shaji had 15 more bookmarks than him. How many bookmarks does Shaji have? See, so we have to add the bookmarks that Azim has and Shaji have more than 15 more from Azim. So we have to add 78 and 15. After adding both these bookmarks, we get the total number of bookmark Shaji have. Okay. Now see, Hira baked 435 chocolate chips cookies yesterday. Okay. And 139 cookies this morning. How many cookies did Hira bake? So we have to add the chocolate chips cookies baked yesterday and cookies baked by this morning. Okay, so we have to add both these numbers, then we get how many cookies Hira baked. During recess, Buddy went to the cafeteria where he met other students from the different grades. Okay, if he met 14 students of second grade, see 14 students of second grade. Okay, and 10 student of fourth grade and 16 students of 5th grade. So, how many more students did Buddy meet during the recess? So, you have to add you have to add these three numbers, okay? Three numbers that the number of students, okay? So, you have to add the number of students, then we get how many more students Buddy meet during the recess. See, Hira's mother brought 101 hot dogs. Okay, after a few hours, Dia's mother arrived with 379 hot dogs and 600 buns. How many hot dogs do they have altogether? So we have to add only the hot dogs that Hira's mother brought 101 hot dog and Dia's mother brought 379 hot dogs. So we have to add both these number of hot dogs. See, there were 98 large fish in one tank at the aquarium. There were 112 small fish in another tank. How many smaller fish than large fish are there in at the aquarium? So see how we have to solve. There is a new logic in this. So large fish we have 98, small fish we have 112, so we have to add both these numbers. Okay, then 112 and 98, so we get 210. Okay, total fishes. Okay, fish, 210 total fish. Now we have to find. Okay, now we will check how many small fish we have. So we have to subtract from 210 and 112. So 0 means 10 minus 2 is, here we do the addition and here we do the subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is the large fish we have in the tank. Okay. So see, the small fish we have 112 small fish and we have the total number of fishes. These are the total fish. Small fish and we have the 98 large fish. So we will check our answer. So how many more fishes than larger fishes? So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So we have 14 many smaller means 14 more many smaller fish than large fish. Okay, so first we have to do the total of these. First we have to add. Okay, there is a twist, so you have to recheck the answer. Okay, then these are the total number of fishes means 210. You can subtract 210 by 90, 98 by 210. This is from this you can get the number of smaller fishes, then the difference how many more we have. So we can subtract 212 by means larger fish and small fish. We can do subtraction from this and we get the number 14. That means so 14 more fishes we want in the in their aquarium. C. The school canteen sold 126 sandwiches and 48 juices cans on the first day of school. The same canteen sold 102 sandwiches and 38 juices cans on the second day of the school. How many juices cans were sold? So in first day they sold 48 cans, and on second day they sold 38 cans. So we have to just add both these juices, both these 2 days, first and second day means 48 and 38. Okay, so we have to add both these numbers. From this we will get the total number of cans were sold in all. Okay, so my dear students, you have to do these questions by yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.